Unravel the Phrasal Verbs. Mastering Formal and Informal English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of English language learning, phrasal verbs. More specifically, we're going to delve into how these verbs function in different settings, formal and informal ones. So buckle up and get ready to expand your English language skills. Before we jump into formal and informal settings, let's first understand what phrasal verbs are. Simply put, a phrasal verb is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb. As a group, they create a meaning different from the original verb. Examples include give up, surrender, look after, take care of, and run out of, exhaust supply. When it comes to formal settings, phrasal verbs are generally less common. Formal writing or speech usually prefers single-word verbs. However, there are phrasal verbs that are acceptable in formal contexts. For example, carry out, perform, set up, establish, and point out, indicate. When writing formally, remember to avoid colloquial or idiomatic phrasal verbs. In contrast, informal settings often abound with phrasal verbs. They're a key part of everyday speech and casual writing. Informal English includes a plethora of colorful and idiomatic phrasal verbs like hang out, spend time, cheer up, make happier, and pick up, learn or acquire. Being able to switch between formal and informal phrasal verbs is a crucial part of mastering English. For example, find out, informal, can be replaced with discover, formal, and go on, informal, can be replaced with continue, formal. That's all for today's lesson on phrasal verbs in formal and informal settings. I hope this video has provided a clearer understanding of how these unique verbs can shape the tone of your English communication. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to explore more phrasal verbs. Remember, the key to language mastery is continuous learning and practice. See you in our next video. Remember, don't just learn it, master it.